So before wrapping things up, let's create like a simple level, because the traps are not really that fun unless you have like a little level you can play with. So I'm gonna show you how you can create one. Let's go here to the selection mode and let's click on modeling. And make sure you don't have anything selected. For example, if I click on this one, I will be able to use the cube grid here, but it will replace this, so I don't want that. Make sure you don't have any static mesh selected, and then click on cube grid. Okay, and you will see that I have a grid here and a yellow line that if I click here and drag, I can just select which part I want to create my floor. So I can either pull, clicking here, like to pull the polygons, or push them down, just like this. So I can just like pull and push, like, or I can use E and Q, very easy. So I can just go here, for example, I can create something like that. I can create like a little wall here, something like that. And let's click accept. Okay. And now we have our mesh here. Now what we can do is just put this one and put it in position, for example, like here. There you go. And now let's try to keep modeling here. Let's click on this one and let's keep adding more stuff. So we can just click E. And now we can basically extrude these parts like this. With shift you can select multiple, and then we can just go back here and then select this one, and let's just say this is the goal. Like, you need to go here to wing, and you can also use like the corner mode. So for example, you can like select these ones here and then just go to corner mode and then go to this one and this one, click on those, and then click E to push or pull. Like for example, I want to just go here, click down, and then I want to go back to this one and just select something like this. And just like that, I can have a little level. So let's click accept. And now let's put the player start here, just like that. Now if we play here, all right, go here to the green icon. Now you'll be able to see the player. Now let's play our little game here. Do it. Yes, we made it. And then we go here, and then it's like, I don't know, we win. And if we lose, consequences. Awesome. So before wrapping this up, what if you want to add a material here? Well, you can just drag something from the content browser here, from our starter content, any kind of material. For example, like this one. I like this one. We can just put it here. There you go. You can have like a checker. Now, if you want to change the UVs, you can always go to modeling and then go maybe to layout here. Instead of going to repack, okay, we can just do the transform, and then we can scale it like 0.1, for example. Sorry, not here, just here, 0.1, 0.1 or 0.25. That looks like a nicer number, so let's just click accept. And now our squares are like bigger. We can always choose another thing if you want. We're just gonna have a nice checkerboard here. So that's it. We can always put this these traps in another place if we want. That's the beauty of this. So we can just go back here and play. There you go. Now we have our little game. Congratulations, if you have made it this far, you have created something nice. We have learned a lot about blueprints, about how to basically how to communicate between blueprints, how to animate objects, we learn how to create a little level, we learn how to make UI, camera shake, a lot of things. Hopefully this has been a great learning experience for you. If you want to learn more, we have a lot of tutorials in our YouTube channel and our website where you can just learn for free a lot of topics, landscape materials, blueprints. If you want to get into blueprints, we have much more tutorials, much more in depth you can take a look at. So yeah, just feel free to play with what you have learned here. Share with us what you create. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments which kind of video you would like to watch, and we may make a video about it. So I'm Mao, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.